Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is slow in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. Now turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After that, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. Press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.